I'm Dominique Woolf, founder of The Woolf's Kitchen. We make Asian-inspired sauces, chili oils and pastes. I started the business because I had just had 3 kids in quick succession and didn't have a career to fall back on. I wanted something that I was passionate about, and so The Woolf's Kitchen was born. Amazon has been fantastic for my business and the product sales. It's a way of reaching millions of customers that I wouldn't be able to. I don't have a website to sell directly to consumers to, so I point them in the direction of Amazon, and it means that anyone in the whole of the UK can buy it with next day delivery. Sales this year from Amazon have grown 300% from last year. It's been absolutely fantastic, and we're hoping that next year we're going to see even more growth. Our best Amazon hack is making sure we have plenty of stock of our products in the Amazon warehouse. This kind of creates a snowball effect. Consumers find our products more easily, and it creates real awareness for our brand. I would tell any business considering selling on Amazon to just do it. It's honestly been so beneficial for our business, and it means that people can find us wherever they are in the UK.